Today we're going to learn how to make the illusion knit tuck scarf. It's gonna look knitted, but it's actually crochet. And I got the idea on the Elder Statesman rib tuck scarf. I saw it online last year for over $1,000. I really liked it, but I was not spending $1,000 on a scarf. So I enlarged the picture, looked at the stitch really well, and realized it wasn't knitted, it was actually crocheted. So I figured out how to do that crochet stitch to make it look knitted. So I'm going to show you here today. The scarf is huge, it's 82 inches long and 16 inches wide. And what we're going to do is you're going to start out with a size 5mm crochet hook. This is the furls, and some either DK weight, which is a number 3 yarn, or a worsted weight, which is a number 4 yarn. And we're going to start off by doing a slip knot. And then you're going to chain until your chain reaches 82 inches long. I'm not going to do an 82-inch long chain because it would just take forever. So I'm just giving you the basic idea on how to do the scarf, on how to work it. And it's pretty easy. You just keep repeating the same row over and over. But you just do your chain stitches. I'm going to stop right here. And then you're going to half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. You're going to yarn over, go into this chain right here. And you're going to pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And you're going to do that all the way down. I'm sorry, my fingers look probably dirty. I've been working with leather and I've got some of that leather stain on my fingers and I can't get it off, so sorry. Hope I don't gross you out. But you're going to keep working a half double crochet all the way down. I'm going to show you that stitch one more time. Yarn over, go through a loop, pull up a loop, and go through all 3 loops. You're going to keep going. Now remember, the chain is 82 inches long. It's not 82 chains, it's 82 inches. This is a huge scarf. It was about $1,000 on that site. It's like, oh my gosh. It was the Elder Statesman site, I believe. It's called the rib knit tuck. It looks knit, but it's not. It's actually crocheted. And then when you get to the last chain, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to turn your work. And see how you got the V's on top? We're not going to work into those V's. We're going to flip it like this. And see this loop right here. This loop right here. You're going to half double crochet into it right there. And you're going to do that all the way down into that loop. Same loop on each chain. I know I hold my crochet hook weird. I hold it different ways. I'm used to doing them either way. I either hold it like a pencil or like a knife, but when I hold it like a pencil, I can usually crochet a lot faster. But trying to look into the screen and do this at the same time, it's kind of hard. So sorry if I'm not getting into focus too well. And you're going to do this all the way down. This is basically whatever we do on this row is the same all the way until the width of your scarf is 16 inches. Whoops. And this yarn that I'm using, I love it. It's a cotton blend and it's called Karen Cotton Cakes. I get it at Michael's. It's usually on sale for around $6 when I buy it. Now on the last chain, on the last stitch, you're going to go through both loops, not just the one. You're going to go through both, and then you're going to half double crochet. Then you're going to chain one, and you're going to turn. You're going to do it again. You're going to go through that loop, and you're going to go all the way down. Whoops, went through both. Go through there. And you're going to go all the way down. And then I'll show you how it's starting to look like it's knitted. I'm going to keep going. We're almost there. My stomach's growling. I don't know why, I just ate. It was so funny. I have tortoises, and I was outside this morning picking some vegetables for them. And we have a new neighbor, and I live in a subdivision, so our houses are practically right on top of each other. And I was just outside singing Baby Got Back. I had no idea my neighbor was out back until I heard him clear his throat, and I was so embarrassed. But leave it to me. I'm clumsy and I don't know. Okay, now we're at the last stitch again. So you're gonna go through both loops, and you're gonna half double crochet. If I could grab it, there it goes. And then you're gonna pull through. And you're gonna chain one again, and you're gonna turn. You go through that first loop again, and you're going to go all the way down, and you're going to keep doing this until your scarf measures 16 inches wide. But see how it looks knit? Isn't that cool? And it's like that on both sides. So that way, when you can wear the scarf either way, it's going to look the same on both sides. So remember, 82 inches long, 16 inches wide.